In this video, we're going to add a label control. This control adds a text label to a green screen. You can use label to either replace an existing screen label or to create a new one. In the history pane, select the Sales Order Entry Customer screen. A larger version of the screen appears in the work area. Drag the label control icon from the control panel onto the work area and drop it on top of the contract field. Size the control so it covers the field completely. In the property grid, uncheck Host Text. In the Label Text field, delete the default text label and type Date. Select Right from the alignment list. Check Override Color Settings. The control now uses the screen background and foreground colors for the label background and the text. The label text is now visible in the control. Remember to save the project.